Welcome to Decoding System Design, a course where you will learn more about how to design software systems to handle thousands, millions, and even billion users. By the end of this lecture, you will understand what this course is all about, why system design is important, who should learn it, where system design is used, what you will build throughout this course, how this roadmap is structured. This course isn't just about clearing interviews. This course is all about understanding real world systems and how they work behind the scenes. Every time you open Instagram, every time you search on Google, every time you play videos on YouTube, there is a carefully designed system that works on background, and by the end of this course you will understand how all this system works, but eventually you will also able to design such systems. Why should you learn about system design? Imagine you are asked to build WhatsApp, and as a beginner I might think, let's build login page, then we will build chat page, then we will store all the chat messages on the database, and it works until 10 user becomes 100 becomes 10,000, and 10,000 becomes 1 million users. And then suddenly question starts appearing, such as how to deliver messages instantly, how images are stored, how videos are transferred, how we can run this entire system 24 by 7. What if one server crashes? And all these questions cannot be answered by the coding alone, and they require system design. In your college project, you designed system in three blocks only: front end, then there is a back end, then there is a database, right? So, and it works for your college project, but at the scale, for the real world companies, they don't serve only 100 users. There are terabytes of data, millions of users, thousands of requests per second. So this simple front-end back-end database get converted to users, load balancers, API servers, caches, database, then message queues, then there are storages and monitoring. So don't worry, throughout this course, we will learn about each and every block of this diagram. So by the end, you will able to design this such kind of systems. Actually, system design is everywhere. From video streaming platform to e-commerce platform, it also has applications, or we use system design in banking applications, banking systems, in cloud platforms, everywhere. This course is for full stack developer, front end developer, back end developer, DevOps engineer, SRE engineer, system designer, uh, everyone who want to learn how large system actually works, those who want to prepare for ST interview. So we are going to follow system design roadmap by roadmap.sh. So by the end of this course, we will cover introduction from basics, fundamentals such as availability, cap theorem, consistency patterns, to advanced concepts like load balancers, caching, asynchronism, and we are also going to cover case studies of different large applications. So yeah, this is all we are going to follow. So at the end, I just wanted to tell you that this course is not like other courses. We are going to understand how systems are evolved from base to advanced. I personally believe we don't have to memorize anything. We must understand from basic to advanced, step by step, how eventually all that stuff evolve. And how we are going to approach that is, we are going to visualize things. We are going to understand concepts from diagrams, so you don't have to memorize anything. So I hope you are going to enjoy, and you will going to follow my course, and I back at the end you will definitely enjoy my entire series. Thanks a lot.